If you're a plumber by trade, investing in the right tools will allow you to unclog the troubles and work seamlessly on commercial or DIY projects. So, in today's video, we'll show you some amazing plumbing tools that you should have. Let's start with the RIDGID K912. It's a powerful drain cleaning machine designed for use in residential and commercial purposes. It simply takes on sinks, tubs, and shower drains. This drain cleaner is ideal for cleaning pipes up to 2 inches in diameter. With the power of a drill, the K912 clears out all the stubborn clogs or blockages from the pipes, like grease, hair, and all. On top of that, this drain cleaner comes with a great combination of a flexible cable and lightweight design, giving you the topmost comfort while using it for a prolonged period of time. Don't you think clogged drain lines are no more a headache for you? Plumbing professionals spend a vast amount of time removing burrs and sharp edges from the cut or machined materials. That's why this pen-type tool comes in handy and does the job in minimal time. This Kinchrome deburring tool features a metal body with spare blade storage, so you won't have to stop between jobs. It also features a high-hardened metal cutting blade, which is suitable for use on a wide array of materials like plastic, metal, aluminum, copper, and ferrous metal tubing pipes. Thanks to the quick-release blade function and a handy pocket clip, the Kinchrome deburring tool lets you keep it nearby and safely store it in the pocket. Next on the list is the Viega MegaPress Tee, a great pipe fitting system for connecting up to 4-inch pipes used in plumbing or heating applications. This tool is made of high-quality material and is manufactured to meet industry standards and certifications. The best part of this tool is it's designed to save up to 90% labor costs compared to traditional methods of connecting pipes, such as soldering or welding. In addition, the system takes around 16 seconds to be pressed and causes no open flames for absolute safety. No wonder the MegaPress pipe connector will make your work safer, faster, and cleaner. Upgrade all plumbing testing games with the Rothenberger RP50 today. This is the ultimate solution for all your sanitary testing needs. This innovative pump features a digital pressure sensor and a dedicated app for seamless documentation. You can precisely adjust the test pressure with a whopping 30-bar maximum pressure. But that's not all. The combination of stable Bluetooth connectivity and Rothenberger app allows you to get access to all your data in real time. Oh, it also features an early warning system, so you'll never be caught off guard. And there's also a USB-C port, which makes charging and data transferring a lot easier. Now, let's talk about the brand new innovation in fire protection technology. Though it's a specialized tool designed for NFPA 25 contractors who focus on fire protection systems, but also aids in the maintenance or testing of larger plumbing projects. Each flush tool kit comes with various components, including 3 set rods, a full schedule of galvanized nipples, a tap cylinder, a ball valve, and 2 compression nuts, so the contractors can work more quickly and precisely. This tool also has a portable case, which enables safe and easy transportation to job sites and storage when not in use. After flow testing, the HydroTap can be used as the test connection for the FDC hydrostatic testing. One single tool, fantastic versatility. Okay, you just want to enjoy a cleaner, fresher bathroom, but the conventional plungers are not helping you well. So you better go with this Cobra Plunge-it, an ideal solution for all your toilet clog woes. Say goodbye to all those time-taking standard plungers and get high efficiency, low flow with this Cobra plunger. This tool is specially made for standard toilets. It tackles even the toughest clogs with ease. On top of that, the Cobra Plunge-it is also made of non-marking durable rubber, so you can use it with peace of mind knowing it won't damage your toilet bowl. Meanwhile, it features a durable, non-absorbent white handle, which not only makes it easy to hold, but also lets you store it in your bathroom attractively. You've always wanted a way to remove, refit, or solder valves or fittings without shutting off the water supply, right? Keeping that in mind, Nirod Tools designed this Jet Swet flow prevention tool, lets you temporarily isolate water flow in pipes. It's a specifically engineered tool for professionals and holds up to 75 psi of pressure, making it suitable for heavy-duty work. Plus, it also allows you to stem the flow from a tank-down service while removing or replacing the gate valves. Thus, there'll be no discontinuation of water supply to the entire building. It's also designed to be durable and long-lasting, making it a valuable addition to any professional plumber's toolkit. No matter whether you're involved with a commercial project or some household task, this King Tony 6518 10C pliers wrench will be a great addition to the tool collection. With a 42mm wide capacity, it can handle a wide range of fasteners and is suitable for all professional and DIY plumbing projects. In terms of comfort and usability, the wrench has an ergonomic handle design to fit comfortably in the hand. Plus, the 8-to-1 ratio of lever transmission also helps to amplify the force you apply, making it easy to turn fasteners with minimal effort. And the high-quality material construction makes the 6518 10C more durable and capable of withstanding all the rigors of regular use. Don't let the cutting jobs slow you down. Grab this Knipex 902301 DP50 pipe cutter and tackle any project with ease. This uniquely made pipe cutter is built for cutting 32, 40, and 50mm plastic drain pipes with a wall thickness of up to 2.4mm. Plus, it enables optimal cutting with slide bearing and self-adjusting guide rolls, bringing a real pro look to every outcome. This tool also features a dual-stage blade to cut and chamfer in a single operation. Apart from that, the DP50 pipe cutter has durable workmanship, which makes it perfect for rough and tough jobs. Worried about the blade changing hassle? Not an issue. The high-quality ball-bearing steel blade surprisingly lasts long, and when it comes to replacement, you can do that in no time. Now, let's conclude today's list with the RIDGID pump stick. It is a game-changing cordless water transfer pump, ideal for contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike. First things first, this tool can quickly pump water from one location to another with a 15 gallons per minute transfer rate. Plus, it's also compatible with different battery brands by charging the battery adapter plate, making it even more versatile. In terms of efficiency, it provides a secure magnetic hose connection which maintains a fast and reliable link, ensuring a steady water flow. Finally, thanks to the impact-resistant glass-filled polycarbonate parts and aluminum body, you can rely on it for years to come. All right, that was the list of the amazing plumbing tools that you should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.